Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm getting ready to send some flat mail, and this is going to Lolo Van Crafts, and she lives in Canada, as do I. And I thought I would walk you through the best way to send Happy Mail in Canada so that it's more affordable than shipping it as a package. I recently shipped a Happy Mail package that had similar sort of things, 3 items with some flip books and some fun little creations and embellishments and stuff. And the whole package was in a small little box, and it cost $25 to send. So here I'm going to show you how I send this for $5. Okay, so I'll first just walk you through a cute little sort of tour of the little flip book that I've created, and I have a more in-depth video on this. If you want to see it on my channel, I can link that for you here. So that is one of the things that I'm sending there. I'm also sending this fun little accordion project, and it's a Jen Hatfield line, and basically you just pull the 2 tabs open, and then you can see how that all sits together. Super cute. I've just stitched it together, and it almost hangs like a banner, which you could do. It's just stitched along the back with a piece of plastic, like a piece of plastic packaging, and I've put 2 little stickers on the end there to mark the tabs. So that's a fun little way to create a little Happy Mail album for your friend. So now I can seal this up. There you go there. And these are just little plastic card envelopes. I happen to get these ones from Stampin' Up. That's where these ones come from. You can find these fun little cellophane bags everywhere. So that's a nice way to package that. I have a card for her. I have created a set of rosette embellishments, and I've again just packaged them up on some paper in a nice little cellophane bag. Lastly, I've made her this pocket, and inside I've tucked in a few fun little shaker pockets right there, some tea, and this cute little set of handmade butterfly embellishments. So I'm just going to put those all back in here, and this is going to be like a really cute little gift to have arrive in the mail, but it hasn't cost a fortune in shipping. So there's what I'm going to send. So here's how I'm going to send it. So now that you've seen what is going to be sent, I ordered these on Amazon, these like kind of like card stock type of mailers. And the reason why these are really good is because they are so strong that they help keep things flat. There's a slot at the post office that's like about this thick, and if your package will fit through there, it can go as flat mail. So if you meet that requirement, that'll fit into that slot, and this is like the perfect sized envelope here, you can then look at the weight of it. So I'm going to just show you how I weigh it. So here's the weight and the prices here. I just got this off of Canada Post's website, and basically if you're anything from 30 to 50 grams, you're looking at $1.30. Anything up to 100 grams is $1.94. 1 to 200 grams is $3.19. 2 to 300 grams is $4.44. And this is the category that we're going to fall into here. Anything above and beyond 500 grams becomes a parcel. So the thing that you want to do is make sure to keep it under 500 grams and keep it thin enough so that it fits through that slot. And then you can see the American prices too. With the American prices, anywhere from 2 to 500 grams is $10.90. So it really is difficult to send cost-effective flat mail anything over 200 grams. But you can get a pretty nice package even together that will just keep under 200 grams, because this one's just between 200 and 300. So I just take my kitchen scale and I'll turn it on here. And the one way that I like to do it is I like to put the envelope on first and then start. So you can see the envelope itself is almost 100 grams, but this is what's going to help keep it as flat mail. So then I just start piling on the items that are going into the Happy Mail. And this way you can get a really good sense of whether or not it'll stay within your weight allotment. So this is good. This is between the 200 and 300. So this is going to ship for like the $4.44. And you can go to the post office and have them print out a tag, and you can just pay the exact amount, or you can add up the same amount in stamps yourself and just put your own stamps on there, but you know that it will meet their requirements. So I just send that in. So that's the thickest thing that we have there. And then from there, I'm going to add all of the different items. Right there. And like that. So just tucked it all in there. Okay. So then when you seal this up, so this is actually looking pretty thick. I might have to rearrange the way that I have this situated to be able to be flat enough, because it's looking thicker than the slot that they have to fit in. So one of the problems I would think is this here. That's making that a little thicker than it needs to be. Yeah, other than that, it's actually keeping it pretty thin. So let's take that out and put this down below there. That's pretty good. And then this here, I wonder if I can fit this in. I can even just put this in with a card or something. Actually, it'll fit right in this little slot down there. There's room for it there. That's better. So this is much better. This is going much flatter now. We just need a way to sneak this guy in here. The card itself will be simple. Because this is like a really hard envelope, it really is strong enough to keep things sort of together. So you can see what that's like there. Anyways, I have to fill this card out still before I tuck that one in. But yeah, so that is how to send flat mail in Canada. I've been shipping for a long time, and it took me a while to figure out all the tips and tricks. But this way, you get to send a nice little package to your pen pal. And yeah, it doesn't cost you like an extra $20. So to send this for $5, as opposed to the last one that I just sent was $25. That works out really well. So yeah, this is a birthday challenge for Lolo Van Crafts. I'm sending her a little Happy Mail. She had some requirements about some of the things that she was looking for. And anyways, so this is what I've decided to send her. And I hope she enjoys it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped you. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you as part of this crafty community. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again next time.